Hey guys, my name's Jamin. Thanks for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a Texas Instrument TI-30X solar. I'm going to show you how to tear it down to access the various components. So first thing you want to do, flip it over. We're going to take out these 6 screws on the back. Once those screws are gone, you can pry this bottom case off with a pry tool or a flathead screwdriver. And then this is what you're looking at for the inside. So this is your main board right there. And these are your buttons underneath this right here. So to get this main board out, there's a series of clips, plastic clips, 2 up here, 2 on each side here, and 2 on each side here, and then 4 down here on the bottom. So it takes a little bit of effort, but you got to pop all those clips off. Try not to break them. The more you don't break, the better, but you can take that board off that way. After you get that board off, it allows you access to your solar panel there from Panasonic. And that's your model number there. I'll also have that below in the description if you're looking to replace it. And then this flap exists. I wouldn't rip this off, but if you bend this up or fold it up, you can get at your buttons. If you're looking to replace those come out. So that's how you would access these components in this model calculator. I hope that helped you out with whatever you're dealing with. Check out the FAQs. If not, if you need to leave me a question, let me know. I do try to get to those questions and comments every day. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.